everyone, how you doing today? We're gonna work on this mold I got. It's an owl with a skull in the middle there. And I have several different, I have 2 chameleon powders and then some SigWong powders that I'm going to paint some of the details on this owl. Make it pop. That's what I'm hoping for. And so, all right, we're going to start off with this magenta chameleon powder by Let's Resin and do these little circles. Now I'm going to use a Q-tip soaked in alcohol and clean up all my messes here. Now I'm going to do the eyes. I want to leave the pupils cleaned. Will have to clean them up later, but I'm just going to do these little lines here. I'm going to use brown and yellow in the eyes, starting with the brown. So I realize here that I missed this circle on the side of the skull, so I need to come back and fill that in. And now we got to clean it back up, and I do have to go back and clean up each time I use a color, basically. Okay, this is a golden chameleon powder, and I'm just going to do, there's like these little sections at the top of these nails or fingers, whatever you want to call them, and I'm just going to put it right in there. Okay, this is a silver gray that I'm going to put on the teeth. I'm using brown to do these little claws. Talons, I think these are talons for the owl, right? Oh, some more cleanup, and then we'll go on to the next color. We're going to do the face now. And this we're using the violet. Okay, so now we're going to do the owl's body in copper. And look at that shine. I love it. Love it, love it. And I end up filling in the beak with the copper. And then when I go to do the final cleanup before I pour my resin, I go back and clean the beak out and the pupils on the owl. And then I made sure the nose part and the eye part on my skull was cleaned up really well also. So I'll let you watch. Okay, I cleaned up the beak, the pupils, my skull, eyes, and nose, and I put copper powder on the shelf part. And now I'm gonna go mix up my resin and we'll be right back. I'm using Craftor resin. Okay, I mixed up 10 ounces of resin. I've got it colored black. So I overpoured, and I'm gonna have to scoop some out. So I'm gonna scoop some out. Just make sure if you do scoop some out, you don't touch your mold. You just scoop off the top there till it's the right amount. There we go. I think that's good. A little bit more out. All right, I think we're good to go. So we'll pour our little shelf, and then that's it. We'll leave it set 24 hours. I did spray it with some alcohol, and we'll come back after it's cured. Okay, we are back, and we are going to unmold our little pieces here. We'll start with our little shelf. Okay, there's our little shelf. I'm dying to see this owl. Well, it unmolds pretty easy, it looks like. Woohoo! I'm excited. I can't wait to see it, see how it turned out. Okay, are we ready? Oh, check it out. Oh, that turned out so cool. Turn it this way. Oh, so awesome. I'm glad I went back and took that out. And all right, let's put the little shelf in it. I'll come back. Okay, so I have some jewelry wire, and I'm just gonna strand a couple of pieces together here to make a hanger for the back of my owl, because there's nothing to hold the back of it. So I'm gonna make this wire, and then I'm going to use UV resin and attach it to the back of the owl so that there's a way to hang it up, so we can hang it and see what it looks like. And then I'll show you. So now I'm just gonna UV resin that on there. What do you think? Okay, it looks like it's gonna hold up pretty well. So we gotta hang it on the wall and see. So here it is, hanging on the wall. I absolutely love it. It's so cool. And I'm glad I put the extra effort into doing the different colors in the eyes, and all of it just turned out so cool. I think I'm gonna make another one, and then make a mirror piece to go in between. That might be my next video, a mirror piece. So you guys will have to let me know what you think down in them comments. And up first, of course, for our tag team collaboration was August acrylic art, and then creations with Tanya, and then myself. So I hope you all have a wonderful Monday. I appreciate you being here. I know all of us in the tag team appreciate you guys being here. My OCD, I had to straighten the owl out. He wasn't quite straight. Yep. All right, everybody. Thanks for being here. Love you all. See you next Monday. Thanks for watching.